Looking to create a cool character outline effect in CapCut? Follow along and I will show you how in no time. Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to create a cool character outline effect in CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the photo and tap on Add icon. Tap on the plus icon shown in your screen. Select the same image and tap on Add icon. Tap on the image and search for Overlay. Tap on Overlay and adjust the both image. Tap on Remove BG to remove the background of the overlay, then tap on Auto Removal. Now tap on Stroke. Select the outline for the character and adjust the size and opacity of the outline. Tap on the down arrow, then tap on the tick mark. And by following these steps, you can easily create a cool character outline effect in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.